Hi everyone. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about commission, right? So first of all, we need to know what commission is. And for all of us or all of you who are going to get a job later on, right? I think it's important that you all know what commission is. So what commission is, what I wrote in blue here, commission is an incentive that employees receive when they sell a certain amount of products at their job. Usually the commission is a percentage of the amount that is sold. So commission is very popular for sales representatives who work in car dealerships. So let's just call a type of car, brand of car. Let's say Toyota, right? So if you're a car salesperson, you get a commission every time you sell a car or a certain amount of cars, right? So let's look at this example here. A car salesperson is selling a car for $30,000. So he's selling the car for $30,000. He is paid 4% commission. So he's paid 4% commission for every car he sells. How much commission would he receive for selling this car? So first of all, the car is $30,000. For every car that he sells, he receives 4% commission. That means we have to find 4% of 30,000, right? So remember 4% as a fraction is 4 over 100. And then we multiply, remember off means multiply. We multiply 30,000 over 1. You can cancel your zeros, cancel, a zero cancel, another one, and another one. Right? And you just multiply across. So 4. So we get 4 multiplied by 300, which will give me the 1,200 that we got there. So basically, the car salesperson will receive $1,200 in commission. Right? Very simple to understand. So let's look at this next question that we have here. In a certain company, a salesperson is paid a fixed salary. So his fixed salary is $3,140 per month. So every 1 month, that's the amount he gets, $3,140, plus an annual commission of 2% on the total value of cars sold every year, or cars sold for the year. If the salesman sold cars valued at $720,000 in 2009, we want to calculate these three parts here, right? So let's look at it. Part 1, we want to calculate his fixed salary for the year. So since the salesman is paid $3,140 per month for his fixed salary, then remember, if you want to find it for the year, remember there are 12 months a year, right? So it'll be that amount, that $3,140 times 12, because it's 12 months. This is his fixed salary for the year, $37,680. So that was part 1. Now part 2, you want to know when to calculate the amount he received in commission for the year. Now remember, he receives 2% commission, annual commission. What does annual mean? Annual is year, right? So every year is 2% commission on the value or total value of cars he sold. Now what I wrote here was he receives 2% commission on the total value of cars sold for the year. And in the question, they told us in 2009, he sold cars valued at this amount. So all we have to do is just find 2% of that. So that's what I have here, 2%, 2 over 100, multiplied by $720,000. Those two zeros could cancel, these two zeros could cancel, then we remain with 2 times this, right? And then we get $14,400 as his commission. Then the last piece, let's go back and see the last piece. They want to find calculate his total income for the year. So his total income for the year is his fixed salary plus the commission for the year, right? So his fixed salary was that first thing we found, the $37,680, and his commission is the $14,400. So his total income for the year is this $52,080. So very simple. Again, these worded problems, you really need to take your time, read it properly, underline what information they give you, right? See what information they give you, what information they're asking you for, to make it a little bit easier for yourself, right? So let's look at one more question on commission. All right, so this question says, a salesman sells a car for $10,500. So he sells the car for this amount, right? So let's put sells on top there. If he is paid a commission of 5% for the first 10,000, so read it carefully here. So 5% for the first 10,000 and then 8% on the remainder. Calculate the total commission that he receives. So the car is $10,500. So he is paid 5% on the first 10,000. So let's just write first 10,000, and that commission is 5%, so 5 over 100 times that 10,000, right? And let's cancel. These two zeros will cancel. These two zeros will cancel. So you get 5 by 100, which is, so you get $500 commission from that first 10,000. All right. So now we are looking at the remainder, right? So now for the remainder, first we need to find out what's the remainder, right? The total of the car is 10,500. So let's take away that first 10,000 and we will get 500, right? $500. So in brackets, I'll put this as remainder. How much commission does he get on the remainder? They said 8% on the remainder. So that will be 8 over 100 times that remainder of 500. Cancel those two zeros, cancel those two zeros. And then 8 by 5 is $40, right? And now let's just change the color of the pen one more time. And then we want to find the total commission, right? So let's just see if we can fit this in right here. Total commission would be that 500 that he got from the first 10,000. So 500 and then the $40. So it's $540. This is total commission. And this is my final answer. Very, very simple, right?